create presentation slides with Jasper AI. First of all, from the main site, we'll click on the create content on the left side, click on it, and it takes you to a different page. And in the library, you will go to product marketing on the left side, go down, and here you'll find presentation slides. So we will go with use. And you can choose different languages which you want to do the presentation in, or choose the brand voice. I will just type the topic, or I will go with this one, future of remote work. I will choose a different audience, so HR professionals and team leads, and I will generate key points which I want to create. So the AI also generate points for the presentation. So from the structure, I can just generate a response. So everything would be from AI structured. Every single point is from AI, and click on the next button. I can add more information as a call to action, or I can just click on the button generate now, and it will create a full presentation with different slides, with different objects on the slides, with topics and the main content in it. So I don't have to do anything else. I've created a 12 slides with a title, with different topics in it, and with speaker notes. So that's it from the Jasper AI. See you in the next video.